Welcome to Villegas Patterns. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own bias tape and how to join the bias tapes together. First, we will see the materials needed. For a clean and quick cut, I'm going to use a rotary cutter. We also need a ruler and make sure a mat is placed under the fabric when using a rotary cutter. And of course, we will need our lining. In my case, I'm going to use a satin fabric for my bias. Before cutting, you need to align the grain lengthwise and the cross lengthwise, using the mat as reference. My bias tape is always 3 centimeters wide. It has always worked on every project I have done. The bias tape needs to be cut at a 45-degree angle. My ruler actually has a 45-degree angle marked on it. I will align it with my cross grain. Now, make your first cut. Afterward, cut your first bias tape. For this video, I'm only going to cut 2 bias tapes. Now, it's time to join the bias strips. The bias cut seams must be joining along the lengthwise grain. Place the strip right sides together and join them at the seam allowance. It should look like a triangle. Pin along the seam and stitch together. Use a smaller stitch length, about 2 mm. Now press the seam flat. Afterwards, press it open. Finish by trimming the seam allowance. By joining more tapes together, you will get your desired length.